Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to show you how to book the medical examination appointment after receiving your second notification letter. And here with me is a sample second notification letter that you are going to receive. And it looks something like this. I had discussed this letter in an earlier video. So when you go down through the content, you'll find a link like this one that I have surrounded by this red box. And this link is what link you will click upon, and you click on it and this page comes. When you click on the link, it will lead you to this page. It is under the travels.state.gov website, and in this page it is called the Diversity Visa Program, and it gives you all the steps from step 1 all the way to step 6 of the DV process. And in this DV process, for you to book your medical examination, you come to the step number 8, prepare for the interview. Do you guys see this? You click on that and it will lead you to this page again. And down below here, you'll see prepare for the interview. And there is this public notice, but it changes. All applicants, read the below information carefully. If you do not bring all the required documents, your case will be delayed. You may need to return to the US Embassy or Consulate at another date, and your visa may be delayed or denied. But we're interested in booking the medical examination. So you scroll down here and you see there are 4 steps. Step number 1, 2, 3, and 4 here about preparing for the interview. But in this video, we are interested in step number 3. That is, schedule and complete a medical examination. And what does it say? It says, you and each family member applying for a visa with you are required to schedule a medical appointment with an authorized physician in the country where you will be interviewed. So the physician that you are booking an appointment with should be authorized by the embassy in your country. It continues to say, you must complete your medical examination along with the required vaccinations before your scheduled visa interview. So the medical examination, you do it before you attend your visa interview. It continues to say, when your medical exam is completed, if you're given a medical exam envelope, you must bring it sealed, not opened, to your visa interview. Some physicians will send the medical exam results directly to the embassy or consulate. So if you attend the medical examination and you're given a sealed envelope and you're requested to take it to the interview, don't open it. Don't open it. It says, a list of authorized physicians for the US Embassy or consulates where you will apply is provided in the drop-down list below. You must contact the physician and schedule your medical appointment. So the first thing and the important thing is when you receive your second notification letter and you're booking your medical exam, it is to contact. You are the one to contact. They will not do it and call you. You are the one to take the step and contact. And that's what I'm showing you here now. The embassy or consulate will not do this for you. Do you see? Explain that the examination is for an immigrant visa application and give the physician the date of the interview appointment. So when you call or you do an email, you must tell the physician that it is an immigrant visa medical examination. And number 2, don't forget to tell him or her of the interview date. The physician will tell you the cost of the examination and tests. Please note that some of the information included in this instruction may apply to immigrant visa classifications other than diversity visas. If you have questions about the country-specific information included here, please contact the embassy or consulate where you will apply your visa. That is a very precise instruction. Now, when you come to this, for you to book the medical examination, you will have to click the list of US embassies and consulates. You must click on this for you to book the medical examination. So let's click on it and you will come to this page. It says list of US embassies. Now, under this list, all the embassies throughout the globe, throughout the world, they are listed here as you can see. And now under these embassies, you will select your embassy because remember the medical examination and the instructions pertaining the DV interview, they are embassy specific. The instructions for Abidjan, they might differ from those of the Abu Dhabi embassy. So every embassy may have different instructions regarding the medical examination. That's why you're supposed to click on your country. For example, if I come from Cairo, I will click the Cairo embassy, that is Egypt, and then I will access the instructions pertaining DV specifically for the Cairo embassy. And here it is. Cairo embassy, that is in Egypt. It says, please follow the steps below before your immigrant visa interview at the US Embassy in Cairo, Egypt. You have these steps. You have step number 1, register your address online. Step number 2, get a medical exam in Egypt. Step number 3, complete the pre-interview checklist. And number 4, review the guidelines. 4 steps that the Cairo embassy requires you for the immigrant visa and the diversity visa. I will do videos for all these steps, step number 1, 2, 3, and 4. But today in this video, we are interested in step number 3, how to book the medical exam. And it reads, as soon as you receive your appointment date, that is in the second notification letter, you must schedule a medical exam in Egypt. Click the medical exam instructions below for a list of designated doctors' offices in Egypt. Please schedule and attend a medical exam with one of those doctors before your interview. Specific doctors, not any hospital, not any doctor, but specific doctors. And let's click. You click medical instructions, and here they are. So make sure you read through these instructions carefully. All immigrant visa applicants, regardless of age, require a medical examination prior to the issuance of a visa. Only a physician accredited by US Embassy can perform this. It is your responsibility to schedule a medical exam with one of the doctors listed below at least 10 days before your visa interview. At least 10 days for the Cairo Embassy. Medical examination results from other physicians will not be accepted. When your examination is completed, the doctor will either provide you with the exam results in a sealed envelope or send them directly to the US Embassy. If given an envelope to carry to your interview, do not open it. Instead, bring it with you to your visa interview. Now, to book your interview, we have this list of approved physicians. And the first one is this doctor, and there are 2, and the contacts are here. So you have to pick one of these 3 contacts and call for you to book your medical examination. Or you can call for the second physician, either of these two numbers, or this third physician. And as I come to the end, here are the items to bring to your medical examination specific to the Cairo embassy. You are required to have your visa interview letter. That is the second notification letter. Your passport, 3 recently taken passport size color photographs, a copy of your immunization record and medical records, including prescription information for any medical condition you currently have, and the DS260 confirmation page. That DS260 confirmation page that you printed, you must present it as well during the medical examination. So this is specific to the Cairo embassy, and that's how you book for your medical examination. And we have used the example of the Cairo embassy, but remember, you go through the same procedures to book an appointment through any other embassies, like for example the Amsterdam. And for Amsterdam, Netherlands, we have these 4 instructions. The first one, register for your appointment online. Number 2, get a medical exam in the Netherlands. Number 3, complete your pre-interview checklist. And then number 4, review interview guidelines. And then we're interested in booking the medical exams. And there it is. So you will click on this medical exam instructions, and in here you see all immigrant visa applicants, regardless of the age, require medical examination prior to the issuance, and you read all through this. And then we have the list of approved physicians. The first one, you see that you have the e-medical cases, and then you have this doctor, and then you have the email to contact them. And then it says you will need to provide your full name, the date of birth, your email address, your phone number, and your case number. Now this is Amsterdam specific. And then you also can book legacy cases, and you contact them through this prevention@ezorg.nl. And when we come to the requirements, when you visit those physicians for Amsterdam, you see you will need your visa interview appointment letter, the second notification letter, your passport, and then 4 recently taken 2-inch by 2-inch passport size color photos. Remember, for Egypt it was only 3, but for Netherlands it's 4. That's why I'm saying that the medical instructions, they are embassy specific. And then you need a copy of immunization records and the DS260 confirmation page. So make sure that you visit the list of the embassies or consulate as I have shown you, and go to your specific embassy, the embassy where you'll take your interview from, and know the instructions specific to that embassy. Follow the steps that I've shown you, and you will book for your medical exam in the correct manner. I hope this video is useful to you. Please, if so, like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And thank you for your support. Let's meet in the next video.